Good morning, students. Yes, very good morning. Welcome to your science class. This is Shivanand Tiwari, and I am your science teacher. Are you all excited, students? Okay, so let's proceed ahead and start with our today's class. Let me ask you a few questions, students. Tell me, where do you all stay? Yes, in your houses. Absolutely correct. So tell me, where is your house located? In which area your house located? Okay, so you stay near Borivali. So tell me your complete address. Absolutely correct. That means you stay in Borivali East. Now tell me, where is Borivali East located? In which city does Borivali located? Absolutely correct. It is located in Mumbai. So students, tell me, where is Mumbai located? Did I hear Maharashtra? Absolutely correct. Mumbai is located in Maharashtra. Now tell me, where is Maharashtra situated? Absolutely correct, students. It is situated in India. So tell me, where is India located? Did I hear Asia? Absolutely correct. India is located in the continent of Asia. Excellent answer, students. So now tell me, where is continent Asia located? It is located on Earth. Absolutely correct answer. So tell me, students, where is Earth located? Did I hear solar system? Excellent answer, students. So our Earth is a part of solar system. Tell me, students, how many planets are there in the solar system? Okay, so some are saying 9 and some are saying 8. So let me tell you, students, there are 8 planets in our solar system. And what are they? We will study about it ahead. So students, as you all said that you stay in your home and your home is situated in particular city, and that particular city is situated in a particular state, and that particular state is situated in a country, and that country is within a continent, and that continent is situated in on planet earth, and our planet earth is part of our solar system. So students, as Earth is a part of the solar system, like our Earth, there are few other planets which are also a part of our solar system. So in today's class, let us learn some interesting facts of some of the planets in the chapter The Universe. Let us move ahead, students. Observe this picture and tell me which are the 4 planets closest to the Sun. Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Do you know what are they called together? Absolutely correct. The 4 planets nearer to the Sun are called inner planet or terrestrial planet. Now tell me, student, which are the 4 planets farthest to the Sun? Yes, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Tell me, what are they called together? Absolutely correct. The last 4 planets are called outer planets or Jovian planets. They are also called as gaseous giants. Okay, students. Now tell me, what do you observe between planet Mars and Jupiter? Absolutely correct. An asteroid belt. So, an asteroid belt is found between planet Mars and Jupiter. Okay, let us move ahead. So, students, in our previous class, we studied about the inner planets that are uh, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Today, we'll be studying in detail about the outer planets. So let us move ahead and let me ask you some question. Now look at this picture and tell me which is the largest planet of the solar system. Excellent student. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. So students, let me tell you, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is so huge that as many as 1397 planets of the size of Earth can get accommodated into it. What do I mean by this? So students, consider a football ground and you have a very small tennis ball and you are placing that ball in the center of the ground. Now you can imagine that our Earth like tennis ball and the football ground is like Jupiter. So we can place as many as 1397 balls in that football ground. So now you can imagine how big is Jupiter. Okay, students, it is named after the king of Roman gods, Jupiter. It is the third brightest object in the night sky after the moon and Venus. Rotation and revolution. Students, spinning movement of planets on their axis is called rotation, and the moment of the planet around the sun in the orbit is called revolution. So students, Jupiter takes 9 hours and 56 minutes to rotate on its axis to complete one rotation. And it takes approximately 12 years, that specifically 11.87 years, to revolve around sun. What do I mean by rotation and revolution? Let us understand with this illustration. So consider the center as the sun and this as a Jupiter. So Jupiter is revolving around the sun in a particular path which is called as orbit, and it takes approximate 12 years to complete one revolution. And also it is rotating on its own axis and it takes approximately 10 hours to rotate on its own axis. I hope you all are clear with what is rotation and revolution. So students, because it takes very less time to rotate, hence Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. It is called a gas giant planet because its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium like the sun. As huge storms occur frequently on this planet, therefore it is also called as stormy planet. Students, like our Earth has natural satellite Moon, even Jupiter has natural satellites such as Ganymede and Carolex. It has largest number of natural satellites, that is 67, and Ganymede is the largest of the satellites that it has. Students, according to US space researcher, a team discovered a haul of 12 new moons orbiting the Jupiter planet in October 2019, bringing its total to 79. So earlier, before October 2019, Jupiter was having 67 moons, and now after October 2019, it is having 79 moons. I hope till this much you all are clear. Okay, so let us move ahead and let me ask you a few questions. Students, observe this picture and tell me Which planet has rings around it? Yes. Did I hear Saturn? Absolutely correct. Saturn has rings around it. So students, Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is considered to be a peculiar planet because of the rings around it. As you all can see, the rings around this planet. These rings are, so students, it is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has many rings around it, as I said, and these rings are made up of mostly ice, rocks, and dust particles. To rotate on its own axis, it takes 10 hours and 40 minutes to complete one rotation, and to revolve around Sun and to complete one particular revolution, it takes 29 years. Students, as I said, the Jupiter has the largest satellite, Ganymede, and Jupiter was having as many as 67 number of natural satellites before 2019, and after 2019, after the discovery of 12 new moons, it is now having 79 moons, of which Ganymede is the largest satellite. Likewise, Saturn has many moons of its own, and of those moons, Titan is the biggest moon. That is, Titan is the biggest natural satellite of Saturn. Saturn has 62 natural satellites around it. Saturn is the only satellite in the solar system that has clouds and dense atmosphere composed of nitrogen and methane. This particular satellite or moon, Titan, is the only satellite in the solar system that has cloud and a dense atmosphere composed of nitrogen and methane. Students, Saturn has overtaken Jupiter as the planet with the most moons. According to a US researcher, a team discovered a haul of 20 new moons orbiting the ringed planet, bringing its total about 82. So Jupiter, by contrast, has 79 natural satellites, and Saturn has 82 number of natural satellite, of which Titan is the biggest satellite of Saturn. Students, let me tell you very specific fact that the specific gravity or density of Saturn is less than that of water. You know, oil has specific density less than water, and you must have seen when you pour oil on water, it does not sink, it floats on the surface of water. So though the mass of the Saturn is 95 times that of the Earth, but its density is very low. It is so low that if it were dropped into a sea large enough to hold it, it would actually float in it. Isn't it interesting, students? Yes. So students, I hope till this much you all are clear. So let me revise what we have studied till now. Let us watch this small clip and revise what we have studied today.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest and largest planet of our solar system, and it is named after the Roman god Jupiter. Jupiter is 317 times the mass of Earth. Jupiter may have all the rocky core of the heavier elements, making it the biggest and heaviest planet. The outer atmosphere of Jupiter is divided into several bands and different latitudes, resulting in extreme storms. Jupiter has 67 moons revolving around it. These are natural satellites of Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn is the only planet to have rings around it. Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has over just 95 times the mass of Earth. The rings around Saturn are mostly composed of ice particles and some rocky debris and dust. Saturn has around 62 moons revolving around it.
Okay, students. So today we studied about in detail Jupiter and Saturn, and these are called outer planets because they are the farthest from the sun. So students, it's time to check how much you have understood. So let me share this link in the chat box. You all will be joining this link very quickly. Let me post the quiz link. I hope you all have received the link. So kindly join the link quickly. Now let me share the screen again. Yes. Yes, student, join quickly. Okay, so I can see all of you have joined. So let me start the quiz. All the best, students. Oh, that was very quick. Very nice, student. You have given correct answer for this question. Let us ready for the second question. Okay. Amazing, student. You all are giving correct answer. I'm impressed. Let's get ready for the next question. Okay, that was very quick. As fast as the speed of light. Very nice, students. Now, here is the last question. You all have to type answer for it. Ganymede and Titan. The largest satellite of Jupiter is Ganymede, and the largest satellite of Saturn is Titan. Absolutely correct, students. I'm impressed that you all have given the correct answer. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the quiz as well. So here is the leaderboard. Yes. Congratulations, students. So let me end this quiz. So students, today we studied about the outer planets and we studied in detail about Jupiter and Saturn. In our next class, we shall be proceeding ahead with the remaining outer planet in detail. Till that, take care. Thank you, students.